Testing in a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. And hello everybody, welcome back to another Plan With Me video this week. In this video, we'll be setting up for the month of September. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and tell your friends that I post a new Plan With Me video every single month of the year. And after saying that, tell them that you lied, because this will be the last Plan With Me setup for 2020. Eek, sorry. Promise I'll come back in January, hopefully, cross your fingers. Just taking another break. Don't want to be overwhelmed. So if I feel like if I take short breaks every year, then I won't need to take a super long break. That's my thinking from now on. And also, I hate the holidays. I hate setting up bullet journals for the holidays because everyone always wants it to be holiday themed, and I'm not a fan of the holidays. It makes me feel like garbage. Because everyone's doing like super fun things, and I'm over here alone and not celebrating. So I kind of like to forget that the holidays exist by not participating in anything. Right. Also, if you guys are going back to school, spend time with your family, spend time with your friends, focus on your own studies, maybe start your own bullet journal channel during this time. Support each other in the comments, you know. So yeah, nothing for October. Nothing for November, December, not even on my Instagram account. But if you haven't checked out all the posts from this year on my Instagram account, including the weekly setups, which I do not post a video for anymore, they're still on my Instagram account at Plan Like That, the same way it's spelled here. With that being said, hello, happy September everyone. Going for a orange leaf theme this month. Just writing out the word September, filling it in with the orange, leaving a little white space so that it looks shiny, doodling little leaves around it for the fall season. My house just cracked, how terrifying. And yeah, very simple cover page. Please, someone recreate it better than me so I could repost it. Oh, that reminds me, I'm also going to be reposting everyone's spreads in my Instagram stories because I love doing that. I just love doing that. It's fun. And I hope you get to like see more content, see more people to follow. It's nice for everyone. I enjoy doing it. You enjoy seeing it. Hopefully. Yeah. Moving on to the monthly spread. Going with the rest of the theme of the year. Just writing the number of the month on the top corner. September is obviously number 9. 7, 8, 9. And then I'm writing out the 4 letters of the month for September right under it. And then following along with my Muji ruler, my clear plastic Muji ruler, just drawing the lines for the month. And I'm probably going to fill in, oh, look at my Staedtler Fineliner not working. Going to write out the initials of the days of the week on top. This coloring does not look good to me. Oh boy. And then I am filling in the little corners of each day with a little bit of orange to add a little pop of color to this spread, because this spread is super plain and I can't decide if I want to be a minimalist or a colorful account. Can't decide. Yeah, and then I'm writing the actual days of the month inside the orange, but sometimes my Staedtler doesn't want to work. Come on, little Staedtler. Keep going, keep going. You might not see this Staedtler next month. Not next month, sorry. You might not see this Staedtler next year. It might be dead. I'm still thinking about doing the botanical theme I talked about over in May. For the entire year. Would you guys mind seeing flowers for the entire year? Or would that be boring as hell? I don't know. Cannot tell you. But definitely leave your opinions over in the comment section down below. I know some of you guys love doing that. Find that me? Engagement is engagement, y'all. Just doing little leaf doodles in the corner of your... Nope, not the corner of your screen. I'm not making that mistake again. The corner of my page. Just an outline with a brown Staedtler Fineliner. and then just doing a little leaf texture-ness with my Crayola Super tip. I think I go back in to make the center part of the leaf darker. Yes, I do. Look at that. Yeah, and that's a really simple way to draw and color leaves. I think they turn out pretty good, if I do say so myself. And I think that's it for the monthly spread. Moving on to the mood tracker, again using my dying Staedtler Fineliner to write out the header for mood tracker, and also using it to write the word notes at the bottom corner of the second page for my brain dump page that I use every single month to write out all my feelings. Anyway, the key at the bottom of the mood tracker, I'm filling it in with yellow and then 2 different kinds of oranges for the different moods that I'm in. Can't really tell the difference on camera, I noticed, but you can see it in real life. Going ahead and filling out all the stems of the leaves for my mood tracker, because obviously I'm using leaves to fill in for my moods of the year. I thought it'd be fun. Plus, really helped me learn how to draw leaves really fast. Doing the stems kind of sloppy though. Sorry, I had to draw like 30 leaves. 31? I don't remember how many days are in September. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry, the camera keeps on going out of focus. I haven't learned my lesson. Next year. Every year I promise these videos would look better. Yeah. No comment. I think I'm gonna go back in and, oops, put the numbers on them. Guess not. Oh well. There's the cover page for the month of September. Here's the monthly spread for the month of September. And here is the mood tracker for the month of September. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and tell your friends that I will be posting a new monthly setup every single month of the year, and then correct them. Alright guys, see you guys in January. Hope everyone has a wonderful holiday, and thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.